Hey everyone, in this video I'm talking about how you can create bulk YouTube shorts with the help of Canva and ChatGPT, and trust me, you can monetize it. As you can see, there are so many rural videos on YouTube shorts which get millions and millions of views, and you can also get it. Plus you can bulk upload these videos through the method which I am about to tell you, so that you can get monetized and you can get insane results in a pretty short amount of time. So let's begin. So first what we're going to do is go to ChatGPT and ask, tell me some riddles for my YouTube channel. And as you can see, the ChatGPT is typing the riddles for me. Plus you can also tell him to give it in table format, which will make it easy. After that's done, you gotta go to Canva and you gotta make a template from TikTok template with a resolution of 1080 into 1920. After that, you gotta come to elements and you gotta add a background. As you can see, my Canva is not a paid version, so that's why it's showing a watermark. I hope you have a paid version for Canva. If you don't, there are other softwares which you can use which are free. So after that, you gotta come to elements, add a background. I think this is a good one. And now we gotta add a heading. So for adding a heading, we gotta go to text and you can see there's an option of add a heading, but I'll select it from these text down below as they are already edited. So we gotta write riddle 1. As you know, like, you gotta provide 2 or 3 riddles in a shot, which will make it interesting. Like if you only provide 1 riddle, that's I think not gonna work. So you gotta go for at least 3 riddles in a YouTube shot. Then we gotta go and paste our first question under riddle 1. So you can use any text, any format you want. I'm just using this one. Let me do a little bit of adjustment and it will be done after that. After that's done, we gotta paste the answer. So for answer and artichoke, as you can see, so I'll just do that. After that, you can add more elements like graphics. As you can see, the question has heart, so I'll add a heart in it. It's gonna look pretty good. And after that is done, you gotta add a music. So you can just go to the music section and add any song you want. After that, what we gotta do is we gotta go to add voiceover, because without voiceover you can monetize this short on your YouTube channel, obviously. So you actually need a voiceover. So for that, we gotta go to naturalreaders.com. It's a site where you can just type anything and the bot AI will speak it for you. So you can also select characters, whichever type of voice you want, accent or anything.
What has a heart that doesn't beat?
You can just go to naturalreaders.com and you can get it. So one thing I want to tell you, that it is not free. Actually, you can just type anything and they will speak it for you, but you can download it. So what I suggest you to do is you gotta screen record whatever they say, and then you gotta extract the audio basically, and you can just put it back into the shot. And that's how it works. It hardly takes around 5 to 6 minutes to create a one single shot. You can create 30 in a day and bulk upload on your YouTube channel, and I hope it will succeed. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.